you.
That's my game, bro.
Me and Sam have an intense rivalry.
Yeah.
Hammond's there, by the way.
I don't believe you.
Kill him. Oh, nice hook.
I got him.
He sucks.
Guys,
Alright,
I
go,
just
go,
got
go.
first blood, I'm just saying.
Nice, Sam. Good game, first blood.
No worries, bro. It happens most games.
Slap drop.
Right.
Oh, kill this Zarya.
Not quite sure.
Oh, I'm popping off.
He's one. Zaya's one.
Yeah.
She's dead, she's dead. Roof! Roof! Roof!
Hammond isn't dead.
Hammond! Roof! Roof! Hammond! Guy in house, guy. I'm steps.
Alright, we got it.
We've got the good teamwork.
Oh no.
I'm sneaking behind him.
Heal.
I'm gonna get the hands though.
Die.
I've put Discord on.
The cart.
Reinhardt's dead.
Got anti.
Reinhardt's dead. Reinhardt's dead.
Reinhardt's dead.
Who killed Reinhardt?
Hammond's dead as well.
It was actually me.
Fuck off! It wasn't you.
No, it actually was.
It weren't. I was behind him shooting with shotguns.
Yeah, no, you probably did all the damage, but like, you're at last second.
Oh. What a humble guy.
What is this Reinhardt doing?
I'm dying.
Why is he just standing?
Reinhardt's gonna die again. Yeah, there you go. Oh, fucking.
Let's go. Oh shit, Bob.
Oh, Bob's lighting me up. Oh, oh, whoever Zenyatta just clutched it, by the way.
Bro.
Fight's going on over there for some reason.
No, I'm gonna die to that ball.
Cart's over here.
I'm gonna die now.
Oh, we just got the point.
No, yeah, we did to be fair. We behind.
I'm down.
Kill Reed for that.
Oh wait, that was my
Reinhardt's
idea.
dead. They got a Roadhog still. He's so low. Roadhog's really low.
Roadhog dead.
Good shit, good shit.
Oh, give me a shout. Pentakill.
I'm on Reinhardt. I'm keeping him out. I'm keeping Reinhardt in the base. Yeah.
Oh my god, that was I was playing insane.
You're welcome, guys.
The calls are really,
Wait, Sam?
Thank you.
The what, Pete?
the calls are really good.
Yeah.
Joe, you're gonna be late.
Oh
Sam's
no.
gonna be late. Sam, get up there, dude.
Sam, I need you to put a shield here for me.
Wait,
He,
okay.
he needs you to put a shield there for you.
Wait, I'm
In front of me. Before they come. Thank you.
Oh, life save.
Farah above.
Kill
She's
him.
really low.
Kill him. Oh, we have no hit scan to be fair. Oh, actually, Joe's hit scan.
I need a new shield.
Oh fuck, I'm dying. Reaper.
Oh, Reaper's inside. Reaper's
Focus
inside.
Reaper, focus Reaper.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right, now.
Good shit, good shit.
Let's go!
Yeah. Oh, it is right.
Sam, don't die.
died.
You died.
Alright, we're fine. We got it way quicker. That's a play.
Bob one.
I'm very confused. Wait, where's the new
Oh,
new
Ash.
champion? How do I activate these?
New champion it now.
Ash.
How do I
Yeah, you have to-
activate them?
You're gonna have to play out.
How do you
Ash.
activate the things?
Ash is.
Oh, you're playing junk, right?
Can someone tell me how to activate the explosives? Huh?
Shift?
Yeah.
No, left shift just places them down. It doesn't explode them.
Oh, is it right click? Left click?
Oh, it is.
You're
How did I not try that?
You're gonna really struggle against the fire.
I mean, I ain't gonna struggle against shit.
Fine.
Have nothing.
Oh my.
shit. That guy's been sick of it.
Yeah, that Reaper destroyed us.
We got nothing now, though.
Yeah, they've already pushed it further than they feel.
Deck.
We don't have to go out. We have to
I went through that door. What? There's what? Where? What's you went there?
die.
got off at anyone.
Oh, fuck's sake, man. The Reaper's just on me. Constant.
Zarya's dead.
Right there.
Oh. Yeah, we got it.
Wait.
He's also not very good against fire.
Nah, you're sick. Then maybe it's good. What's up, Sam?
Wait, this is sick.
Hey?
This is going at a million miles an hour.
Oh, good also. Nice.
He's asleep. Don't
Roadhog,
touch him.
Roadhog's upstairs, isn't he? Up here, up here.
No, no, just kill him.
Yeah, kill him.
Kill Reaper. Yeah, Roadhog's behind it.
I'm coming. I'm on Roadhog. I'm on Roadhog. He's low, he's low. Yeah, we got him. Kill a wrestler.
Where's he?
All to the side. Oh, Reaper and everyone is behind.
Bless you. No. I was so close to ult.
I got
It's
off
fine, we're fine,
anyway.
we're fine. Yeah, I got ult as well. I just need him to not be looking.
Play the game.
Ah, it's gonna be.
It's gonna go to the Reaper. Oh,
That was a good
What?
ult from Sam. In the last one.
what did this guy
Yeah,
do?
that was sick. I
I
got
think that's all one of the game.
What happened?
Sam got like 4 people in the ult. What is this?
Why did the Reaper not get it? I feel bad for him. Your feed was just saying.
I don't. You know all these dishwasher memes. I don't get them.
They don't mean. Like, yeah.
Huh?
They're just.
No, this is a meme, but I don't get it.
What?
I don't get it at all.
Excuse me, what the fuck?
It's a classic meme.
That's a good one.
You fucking Tory scum.
Goodbye, Owen. You're all gone.
I didn't want to be in that right wing party anyway.
Ah, don't you dare. That's actually very insulting.
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Shut up, you alt right.
You know how Aaron gets around Tory zone.
He
Don't you
punched him in
dare.
the face.
Oh,
He assaults them.
exactly.
He insults them.
You know who I also assault?
Poor people.
Women.
Vote really bad.
Homeless women.
Aaron, who would you rather assault? A poor person or a woman?
Well, I wouldn't have a preference.
What about a poor woman?
But what if she's a Tory as well?
Yeah, what if she...
Yeah.
Then it's alright.
What if she's
Yeah, it's
not
not
a Tory,
alright.
but she has a dishwasher?
What, the homeless person with a dish?
Yes.
Yeah, she...
She's just walking about with a dishwasher.
He lives in a dishwasher.
That's not homeless then.
Oh. Is it at home?
I don't know actually.
Big Duncan on
I
homeless
can't say I've
people.
ever seen anyone living in a
How much
dishwasher.
actually are dishwashers?
Yeah, wait, so are you gonna assault her or not, Aaron?
No, I think I'll say no to that one.
You're a pussy.
You're a pussy.
Aaron said he likes Tories.
That's fucked up, Aaron.
£1,400 for a dishwasher.
They're quite expensive.
You can get over 200 quid for a curry.
For a curry?
Why did you say the £1,000 one then?
I don't know. That one grabbed my attention more.
His eyes were drawn.
Tory.
It's quite a nice looking dishwasher though.
Oh, Sam. Getting dangerously close
Does
here.
it have a touchscreen?
Do you have one, Sam?
No, I
Yes,
don't
smart
have a
one.
dishwasher.
Is it a smart dishwasher?
I don't know, I asked it.
No, I mean like a smart. You know how like there's like smart fridge. smartphone.
Oh yeah.
The smart dishwasher. So does the dishwasher have? Can you download apps on it?
I don't know, but it's got 0% interest for 4 months with PayPal credit.
Sick.
Oh, does it have a touchscreen though?
Do you have a touchscreen one, Owen?
Does it have a touchscreen on it? Do I have a touchscreen? I have a touchscreen.
On your dishwasher?
No, our dishwasher's broken.
It
It
doesn't
doesn't
wash
wash
dishes.
dishes.
Oh, Jinx bad luck when you turn around to try and eat lines.
Eat lines.
It just sits there.
Doing what it does.
They tend to do that.
And I've decided to join because I decided I'm gonna be a Tory now.
Okay.
He also wants to be an
Seamless
abuser.
dishwasher.
Let's go, Boris.
Pete, do you have a dishwasher?
Whoa, Joe. Whoa, Joe.
Well, it came with the house.
It came with the house.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I don't know about that.
Must have been a
Tory
pretty darn
house.
expensive house then.
My mummy worked very hard by a big
No.
house. And she did it all on her own.
To be fair, I wouldn't allow that.
Very proud.
I don't want to hear no sob
She
story.
did what all on her own?
Buy
Because
a
Pierre
house
doesn't have a
Bought
dad.
a dishwasher on her own.
and
Oh,
pay
yeah.
for children.
Oh.
She bought the house just so she could get the dishwasher.
I knew it.
Alright, she is a
Awesome.
Tory then.
Good value,
It's a good investment.
but it's fine. Because he doesn't have a dad.
Yeah.
That's what Aaron said. That's what Aaron said.
I didn't say it was
He said,
fine.
he said he'd allow it because.
Why is it not installing
I
anymore?
know, I heard you. Don't lie, don't back out now.
Ah.
You got me. Joe, what are you saying?
Wait, what happened then?
He was
Oh, it's
fibbing.
nearly
We
done.
could play 2 games by now.
Facts.
Especially with me on Hanzo.
Uh-huh. That's my jam.
Oh, I just remember I'm really bad at Overwatch. Oh,
Wait, I prefer these. These are so much more fun.
Yeah, these are more of like a cluster. Fuck.
These are just like fights. Whereas the other one you have to like
Plan.
wait about all the time. To each their own.
can't remember what anyone does. Oh, yeah.
I just hate defending.
More is pretty good.
You just hate defending.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
defending. I hate defending as well. I can say that.
Especially on tanks. Standing there. Everyone's heart right kicking you.
There's so much more pressure when you die as well.
And then just like, oh, I can get back.
Oh, Mercy's dead. Reinhardt. He's in front of us.
Get the
He's
rest
low.
of
Yeah,
Nice.
Arissa's on her own.
Back off in the fight.
Oh, we did
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
boys.
I've gone slightly deep there.
It's fine.
No. Wait, they're
got
just
one.
trolling.
What's my ult?
Oh, get him, Aaron. Get him. I see what you're trying to do there. Go for it. Go for it. Got him. Hey. Wait, that was more for you.
They're not exactly getting on the point from what they're doing, are they?
Oh my god, you sound so deep.
I'm getting them. Oh, they slept me. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. And he's out.
Oh,
Uh,
Reinhardt,
Oh, fuck.
I need help.
oh, they fucking got me as well.
I'm so low. Oh, we kind of troll, boys.
I am so stupid.
Let's go underneath here. It's a good point.
You alright?
The
We'll come
left
in.
side.
Do you
No
mean
one
this is the right side, but okay.
Wait for
expected-
okay.
He's not coming with us.
Someone's not listening.
I got all.
No, it's
so-
not.
Oh, they didn't expect it. They're up. Oh yes, Sam. That goes through their shields.
No,
Oh, that was a slaughter.
That was mad.
We all
They're doing this.
sort
They're
of-
doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing as us. They're all down there.
Should be fine.
Watch out for the Junkrat thing.
Oh.
Oh my god! I said it and then I died to it. One to 0.
God, are you the announcer?
I am.
Sound just like her.
That's what they tell me.
Who tells you that?
Yeah, I was gonna say who's telling me.
What are you trying to say?
People just randomly come up to you. Oh my god, you sound like the announcer.
From legal.
From that one Overwatch.
Wrong game, Joe.
Fuck.
Hey, you're a Yeti!
Yeah,
Fuck
this is
off.
the best skin.
Bloody.
You're so tiny.
Your mom.
I was preoccupied with the other Reaper.
You ready? Go, go, go!
I don't think it made any difference.
It looked cool.
Reaper's stunned. Oh, Reaper's dead. Reaper's dead.
Nice!
Oh, ice. Oh,
Reinhardt. Oh, he's on his own. He's oh, the Zarya. Zarya's gonna fucking kill me.
Zarya was just chasing me around the whole fight.
Yeah, there's no. Wait, we got it. Yeah, Zarya's dead. Zarya's dead. That was.
No one there. I think you might have to do it just with the fire.
Kill the Mercy before she revives. Yeah.
It's just the replay.
Oi, that was sick. Yeah, good
For
shit.
them?
Good shit. Yeah, yeah.
I need to then so far.
Yeah, same. Where's our medics?
Mate.
Same. Oh, you get me. Yeah.
I
Shut
need
the
20.
fuck up, Owen. Catches me out on every miss, like fucking.
That's what Owen does.
Sounds funny.
Go in.
Yeah, I can get
Look at him. Oh wait, are they out of range up there? Oh no, Owen, that was such a good combo from us two. Junkrat's on the point.
Nice, we went with it.
Junkrat. Yeah, we got this.
Twice our jump out was a piece of.
Oi, mate, our ults worked well there.
I don't know how that works, but that was a sick ult. Like, that looks retarded. That just sounds retarded.
Oi,
What?
I got 50 kills.
I have absolutely no
I got
idea.
46.
What?
you ulted here, surely, right?
This is when we
Oh, there you
popped off.
Oh yeah, look.
Quadruple kill! Quadruple kill! Quadruple kill! Quadruple kill!